Hey folks, radar has gone quiet across the valley tonight after erupting up and down I-69E earlier today with some big thunderstorms. They're gone and likely to be gone for the rest of the night. That's what it looked like on satellite when the stuff came through. Watch that loop one more time right there, right along I-69E and then moving to the west. And the rain almost ended right on the county line. We had a couple of sprinkles here in Weslaco, and then after that it was just leftover clouds for the most part moving westward. Now overnight tonight we'll see a mix of clouds and sun, but during the daytime tomorrow scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm mixed in again, a lot like today. Stuff fires up on the sea breeze. Wednesday, probably a little activity, but a little bit less active on Wednesday. And Thursday, we're talking really isolated. You can't rule something out, but Thursday, probably a relatively dry day. So tomorrow, about a 30% probability. That day a lot like today. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we drop it to 20%. And really, we could probably go a little lower even on Thursday. I think the chances are kind of fading over the next couple of days. They never go completely away, but fading a little bit. Big blow-up of thunderstorms up in West Texas, out in the western part of the state tonight here. A little bit of a disturbance sliding by. We're also tracking the system in the Caribbean or over the Yucatan Peninsula we'll watch. That'll continue moving westward. Talked about it earlier in the newscast, likely to stay well to our south. So ahead of that, we have a couple of drier days, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, maybe a little bit of an increase in moisture. See showers start to show up. And then the weekend, I think our moisture chances really pick up again, so our rain chances go up a little bit. Here's that system in the Gulf. It's got a 20% chance of developing the next 5 days, but it's mainly going to the west, maybe west-southwest. Big ridge right here, suppressing it to the south, so likely it will stay just a little bit south of us no matter what it does and develops. Better organized it is, the less rain we get out of it. If it stays disorganized, a better chance for showers. These are currents down to the 70s, Edinburgh, Harlingen, and Raymondville. Everybody else in the 80s. Tomorrow, back in the 90s, every place but the beach, 86 at South Padre. Southeast winds about 10 to 16. Normal highs 91. Tomorrow will be 94. Then we got a couple of days of 96 on Wednesday and Thursday, so we're staying above average. Atlantic's really busy. There's Jerry going that way. Depression Karen's going to the north, and Lorenzo probably headed out in the middle part of the Atlantic Ocean. Nothing a threat to land anytime soon. At our coast, you've got winds out of the southeast, 10 to 15 knots, a light chop. The UV is very high. Small craft operators urged to use caution. Your rip current risk remains high. So tonight, warm and muggy, partly cloudy skies. Should be a rain-free night. And then tomorrow, about a 30% chance for a shower. A thunderstorm like today forms eastern part of the valley, moves to the west, and dies. That's the end of that. And I think our chance of rain drops down to about 20%, maybe a little less Thursday, Friday, and then goes back up to 30% for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, every day in the 90s, every night in the 70s. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Erica?